Hi, I'm Kyle, and I'm a wildlife bio major.
I'm Danielle, and I'm a pre-vet major.
And we're gonna go outside in the courtyard, check on the bees. So we're gonna open up this hive right here, just to see how the bees are doing. So yeah, let's grab this.
There's a few layers to take off first here.
You have to fry it.
Most likely you have to pry it off because the honey gets it really sticky.
Oh, here we go. You want to smoke them, Danielle?
Yep. So at this point we'll smoke the bees. We'll kind of send them down into the lower part of the hive and hopefully away from us.
So do that. We're gonna grab one of these.
Yeah, we have a nice frame grabber
Sometimes
because they get really sticky.
Sometimes you have to break the frames apart because they stick together. Get that side. You got it? Yeah. Yeah. Well, this frame just broke. But, so these bees haven't capped this honey at all yet. So we're going to leave that in there so that they can put some honey in there. This one's empty too. Try this one here. These ones have some cap in. Alright, so we're going to check on this one now. You see they're starting to extend these honeycombs here, so they should be putting honey in them pretty soon. So they'll use that as food during the winter.
Yep.
Alright, well none of these really seem to have too much honey in them, so should let this one go.
Yep.